So to understand that ZANU-PF people cannot tell us about the principles of the liberation struggle, you have to know that when we fought for the liberation of Zimbabwe, we fought for our liberation on the basis that we get back our land which was illegally occupied, our land which was stolen from us. That was the major issue. It was about land. Then the second issue was about equality between all citizens. We needed to be equal. We needed to coexist. But right now, what ZANU-PF is doing is that they are not talking about reparations. They are not talking about reparations in terms of colonialism. They are not talking about reparations in terms of slavery, which happened in Africa. Despite the European books confirming that indeed colonialism happened and it was perpetrated by country A, B, C, D, as well as slavery. The history is there, written by the same white people, endorsed by their governments, or published by the companies which are dominant or dominant in their governments. We have not heard about Mnangagwa talking about reparations, but he's talking about compensating white farmers. Mnangagwa is focused on compensating white farmers. Let us not go to colonialism. It's far. Murambatsvina people, they suffered a lot. Their properties were destroyed. What did that get? Nothing. No compensation for the structures they built. Tokwe Mkosi people, no compensation for the efforts they put in building their own homes. No meaningful compensation. Pangoita zveitsotsi. Zvevarungu ndo zviri kunzi vachapiwa 3.5 billion. How many are they? Because Papane 5,000 white farmers. That is the total number at Tinayo. 5,000 white farmers. How many families were relocated from Tokwe Mkosi? Around 3,500 families. Were those families compensated enough, even close to 100 million? I doubt. But my white farmers were kupiwa 3.5 billion. For what? These are the issues we are always saying. Vanava vazima priorities avo. Vanava, they will tell you kuti ye varungu this, varungu that. They will tell you kuti ye vatengesi this, vatengesi that. But vari vatengesi. Ike zvine zvakamhanya uko kunana UK uko. Vaimhanya vachiti vari kuenda kupa. Vachinosangana na Tony Blair vaiti vari kusangana nani. Tony Blair is one of the people vakaramba kupateka their own deal in terms of compensation. But right now nangu vachinonyemwerera nako vachiita zvinhu zvisina basa. Saka isisu tiri kuti let us have leadership ichatanga kuprioritize the people of Zimbabwe, ichatanga kuprioritize the gains of the liberation struggle, the principles of the liberation struggle, yotanga kuprioritize kuti ndezvipi zviri kufanira kuitwa for the benefit of black people, and that is the government led by Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Kwete zvimwe zvese zvatiri kuitwa neZANU-PF izvi. Guku rahundi chaichai havana madocuments, mabirth certificate chaiyo nezvitupa chaizvo chaizvo, a lot of them havana. Alright, hatisi kuti vapei mari, chiendai kamungonovapa mabirth certificate nezvitupa, hamudi. Alright, chivapai closure, chivabvumirai kuti vavige hama dzavo dzakaiswa mamass graves, hamudi. So what more do you need? What more do you want? You hear maissues akasiyana siyana. Ike zvinezvi vanhu vari kubviswa pamaprazi pavagara for a very long time, 10 years vagara paprazi. You don't hear anybody speaking about compensating those people. Because havana basa. Chavo vane basa kana dzanyaya dzekuvhota. Saka you see kuti chihurumende ichi chakadhakwa ichi. Chihurumende chakatsva mafuse zvachose chose. Let us vote wisely, Team Zimbabwe.